see these chickens? Chicken getting time!
But the other one again.
Oh, the black one. Get it. Cheers.
There's Spotty. There's fire. Spot. Squat.
You're scared. Grab it.
Okay.
Oh, my lose my time.
Then close the door.
You go there.
Close the door. Ah, I got it. Good thing that we're making the chickens afraid.
Chicken translator time. What's your story? Tell it. Tell it. Oh. She was always the wussy baby. Always. From the beginning. Hey, stop that. Keep talking.
For you, Summer. I meant it, not for you.
And she loved her friends and family. She was very loved by them. Not like the other bully. He sucks. Right? Yeah, she says yes. If he finds out she's dead meat.
Well, I believe so.
Stanton.
Boo! That's what she says in her brain. But she didn't tell you because she didn't want to. Right?
Stanton, let her go.
No, she loves this. She's
Yeah.
on camera for the
Yeah.
whole folks thing.
Yeah, TV. And the wings don't turn, okay?
Okay. Say see ya. Say it again. Say see ya. Say it again.